What's up, everybody? This is a sneeze prank slash scaring prank. We're here at Target. Thanks for watching. Oh. Oh. Woo. Oh. Oh, oh, oh man, sneezing. Yeah. Oh.
I think they must have a big sale or something because a lot of stuff is empty.
Me too, right?
Huh?
This one right here?
I don't know. I'm not sure.
Alright, thank you. Didn't mean to scare you there. Where did that come from?
Yogurt land?
Oh man, you gotta hit me up with some of that.
Go for it, man.
Oh, please. Thanks, man.
Shit bomb though.
It's good? You gonna hook it up?
Yeah, go for it.
Which one should I get though? Strawberry?
I don't know, they're all bomb.
I'll hit up that strawberry though.
Yeah, go for
For
it.
sure. Thank you. For sure, man. Thanks.
Look, you guys are on. You guys are gonna be on.
You guys might be on YouTube.
You're lying.
Yeah, camera's right here.
Holy fuck!
Just say.
What? Oh my god!
You guys mind?
So.
Yes, I just worked out.
Alright, we won't put it up then. Go, one more. So, how are you?
What are you doing?
You're getting you on. What's up, Brenda? Give me a hug.
How are
That's a YouTube hug. You want to be on YouTube?